when someone comes to us and they say, because I just recently saw your new SOP, we added it to our agreements on this, which was an update from the previous one. It's just, I'm really super proud of it. When somebody comes and decides to do their migration work with us to LearnWorlds, what's the first thing that we give them? What's the first thing that your department sends out? What is it that you need? I know you don't have your
Requirements.
SOP right in front of you probably, but if you could mention a few of those specific details. Great, guys, let's do it. I trust you. It looks like you have experience here. I want to move forward. And I've seen this come out. I think it could be useful for people that are viewing this. Then you will get an email communication from Shibs and what is it that we need to really make this work? Because it is complex.
The number one thing that we really focus on, and I believe, that's probably one of the most important part of any migration project, are the requirements, right? And this is important because of two reasons, right? We have seen other companies wherein, somebody who has knowledge of, what is a migration is, right? They would just throw in some questions without understanding the crux of the matter. But here, when, me, Robert, we are working with clients, right? What we do, we get into the technical nitty-gritty, right? And we try to make it as easy as possible for our clients. We do not want to overwhelm them. Some of the things that we want from our clients is to, get a feeling of how many courses do they have in their old ecosystem or their old LMS, right? What are the number of courses? Second, maybe we are looking at a number of how many existing users are there on their old platform. Because when migration is completed, all of the old users will be moved into the new platform LearnWorlds, right? So we need to have proper numbers, proper structures, which again, our team makes sure, it's easily and very, very easy to understand format is, conveyed to our client as well. And the number three thing that we are looking at is what are the assets that you have? What kind of assets do you have? Are you providing videos, right? If you are providing videos for courses to your clients, where are your videos located? Are you, kind of hosting those video inside Vimeo, right? Do you have PDFs? How many PDFs are there? Or, if you have any other format which you're giving as part of your course, we want to know that. Once we know all of this, once we have all of the information, the entire team gets together and we formulate a very simplified strategy for our clients, and then we start migrating their assets to the new learning management system.